In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly, the free online appointment scheduling software that's going to streamline your appointment booking process. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or just someone looking to organize your meetings more efficiently, Calendly can be a game changer for you. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, head over to Calendly's website. Here you'll find an overview of all the fantastic things Calendly can do to make scheduling appointments a breeze. Once you're ready to get started, you'll need to log in. Click on the Login button located towards the top right corner of the page. Since Calendly integrates seamlessly with Google for ease of use, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use with Calendly. Select the account you wish to proceed with. After selecting your account, you might be asked to continue or confirm permissions for Calendly to access your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows Calendly to check your Google Calendar for conflicts and add new events as they're scheduled, ensuring you never double book. Go ahead and click Continue. Now that you're logged in, navigating Calendly is straightforward. You'll be taken to your dashboard where you can access all of Calendly's features. Starting from the dashboard, let's go through some key sections you'll be using. The first one is Meetings. This section allows you to manage your scheduled meetings. You can view, edit, or cancel upcoming appointments from here. Next, head over to the Availability tab. This is where you set up when you're available for meetings. Calendly's flexibility lets you customize your availability to fit your personal schedule. So, take your time to get this part set up correctly and say goodbye to scheduling conflicts for good. Another essential section is Contacts. As you start scheduling meetings, Calendly will automatically compile a contact list for you based on your invitees. This makes it easier to manage recurring meetings with the same contacts or groups. A crucial part of making the most out of Calendly involves integrating it with other apps you use. Click on Integrations and Apps to see a comprehensive list of all the platforms Calendly can work with, such as Zoom for video meetings or your preferred CRM software. Taking the time to connect these services can significantly enhance your scheduling workflow. Now let's get to the exciting part, creating your first event type. Click on Create. You'll see various options for the type of meeting you can schedule. For individual meetings, select one-on-one person, which allows you to set meetings with one invitee at a time. There's also group, collective, and round robin for more specialized scheduling needs. For this example, we're sticking with one-on-one. Clicking on one-on-one will prompt you to fill in details about your event. Give your event a clear, descriptive name, and decide on the duration of the meeting. Next, specify the location of the meeting, which can be a physical place, a phone call, or an online meeting via Zoom. Calendly's versatility in this area is fantastic for accommodating all kinds of meeting preferences. After filling in the details, click Continue. You're almost there. The next page allows you to further customize your event by setting questions for the invitee, to answer when they book, customizing reminder emails, and more. Take your time to explore these options as they can greatly enhance the experience for you and your invitees. Finally, once you've got everything set up just the way you like it, it's time to share your new Calendly event with the world. Click on Share at the top of the event page. You'll be given a direct link to your event, which you can copy by clicking Copy Link. This link can then be shared with anyone you want to schedule meetings with. Include it in your email signature, on your social media profiles, or anywhere else that's convenient for you and your contacts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Calendly. With these steps, you're well on your way to simplifying your scheduling process, saving you time and hassle. Remember, the key to maximizing Calendly's benefits lies in taking the time to explore and customize it to fit your specific needs. Happy scheduling.